How's it going, YouTube? My name is Trey. Today I'm going to be showing you how to write to a text file in Java. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and hit that notification bell if you want to watch more of our videos. Alright, let's get straight to the code. Alright, so the first thing we need to do is import from three classes. Our first one's going to be our file class. So we're going to have import java.io.file. Next, we're going to import our file writer class. Import java.io.file writer. And then our last class will be our print writer. So import java.io.print writer. In our main method, we're going to create a file writer object and a print writer object. For our file writer object, we're going to have file writer fw is equal to new file writer, and then inside of our parameters we're going to have new file, and we're going to have the path of our text file. For me, my text file is going to be in my src folder. So src /anime shows.txt. Don't forget to throw your IO exception. Alright, next we're going to create our print writer object. So print writer pw is equal to new print writer. And inside our parameters for our print writer, we're going to pass in our file writer. So fw and semicolon. Alright, so this is where the magic happens. We need to find data, or we need to create data that we want to be written to our text file. For our example, we're going to create a string array that has popular anime TV show titles. So we need to start with string brackets anime shows. And for my example, I'll be adding 5 popular TV show titles. So first is going to be Dragon Ball Z. Next will be Naruto. Next will be One Punch Man. Next will be Pokemon. Lastly, we're going to have Attack on Titan. Alright, next we need to create a for loop. Int I set to 0. We're going to have I less than anime shows.length. Then we're going to increment I by 1. Alright, so inside of our for loop, all we need is one line. We're going to have pw.println or println anime shows at index I. And then outside of our for loop, we're going to have pw.close, which tells the program to write those strings to the text file and close the file once they've been written to the text file. When we run our program and look at our text file, and voila, we have Dragon Ball Z, Naruto, One Punch Man, Pokemon, Attack on Titan written to our text file from our string array. So that's how you write to a text file in Java. If you have any questions, comment below. And don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like. Alright, thank you for watching.